And my name is Sylvia King. Don't forget to leave us a like or subscribe as it will help our channel.
Today's favorite exercise at the Laughter Club was the sneeze laughter.
And you know the recommendation from the WHO that when you need to sneeze, you catch the sneeze in a tissue and dispose of the tissue. So this is exactly what we're going to practice now. And the exercise goes like this. You know, you start to notice the sneeze coming on with a, you reach for the tissue and you go, and you dispose of the tissue. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Yay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yay. Very good. Very good. Yay.
Join us for a 45-minute session.
Keep laughing and